What's up, guys? You're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today, our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and here is the error NP-103107-2, unable to connect to the server. So it's a network error, PSN error. So here I'm just going to show you how to fix, and here we are at the screen. You must go to screen, and here is. Then go to settings, must go to settings and check the user and accounts, PSN account is logged in or not, login setting, your PS console is logged in or not, and then go to the network, view PlayStation network servers, or test your internet connection. So simply, you must test your internet connection. Maybe sometime your local internet is not working. If your local internet is working, then you go to the server. Check the server. If you get the green, all of green, then you have a problem with the local internet, maybe speed problem or a data problem, or just working so too slow. That's why you get this error. You just must contact with your local internet provider. They can fix. You can change the MTU settings or DNS server, change it which one is working good in your country. Just put it back there, and you must use the LAN cable than the Wi-Fi. Directly connect from the router to PlayStation 1. It will be work good. Here we are. Look at that, the servers and network connection. You just set that new connection, primary DNS, secondary DNS, you can change it, and must connect with the new connection. That's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question or are more curious, you just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic. See ya.